Hello, good morning. In this class, in the today's class, we will see the new concept, that is the superconductivity. Superconductivity is the most important topic in our syllabus. So this is the new invention. So we know that the electrical resistivity of many metals and alloys drops suddenly to zero when cooled to a sufficiently low temperature, particularly in the liquid helium range. So this phenomenon was first observed by the Kamerlingh Wonnes in 1911. Kamerlingh Wonnes in 1911. Okay, so this is the name of scientist who discovered this phenomenon, that is Kamerlingh Wonnes. Okay, so this phenomenon was first observed by Kamerlingh Wonnes in 1911 while studying the electrical resistance of mercury at very low temperature. So he studied firstly mercury at low temperature. Okay, he firstly studied on the mercury. So he observed that. So what is observation of this Kamerlingh Wonnes? So he observed that the resistance of mercury first decreases regularly like that of a metal. We know that when the temperature decreases, the electrical resistivity of normal metal decreases regularly. So he observed that the resistance of mercury, as according to normal metals, mercury is also decreases its electrical resistance of mercury regularly like that of a normal metal, but at 4.2 Kelvin. 4.2 Kelvin. When the temperature reaches to 4.2 Kelvin, so the resistivity suddenly decreases to zero, and this is the graph. This is the graph what we have to discuss here. So this is the temperature in Kelvin, and this is the resistivity. Resistance in ohm. Okay, so this is the resistivity of normal temperature. Okay, means normal temperature. This is for the normal temperature, normal metal. So this is the resistance of normal metal, and as we see in the mercury at 4.2 Kelvin, this is the temperature here about 4.2 Kelvin. This is 5 and this is the 10. So at 4.2 Kelvin, the resistivity means below, after this point there is a resistivity, means gradually decreases, but when the temperature reaches to 4.2, it suddenly drops to zero. So this is the superconductor. Okay, so see the difference between normal metal and superconductor. So normal metal decreases its resistance regularly, as shown in figure, regularly, but mercury, so this is for mercury at low temperature, when the normal temperature of the mercury is above the 4.2 Kelvin, we see that the resistance gradually decreases up to this point, and when the temperature reaches to 4.2, the resistance of mercury suddenly drops to zero. Okay, this is the 0.1 temperature, this is the 0.2 resistance. Okay, means the resistance of mercury at 4.2 degrees suddenly drops to zero. So the temperature, this temperature at which this phase transition occurs, means there is a decrease of resistance occurs, means this transition occurs and the resistance suddenly drops to zero, is called the critical temperature. This is the critical temperature Tc of mercury, that is the 4.2 critical temperature. We have to read this phenomenon, is the critical temperature. Tc, the temperature at which the resistance of any material drops suddenly to zero. So this temperature is called the critical temperature. Okay, so the similar results occurs, or the similar results were obtained for the materials like This is for only mercury. Diagram is for only mercury. That is the mercury has the temperature equals to 4.2 Kelvin. But other metals like aluminium, lead, Sn, then next zinc, cadmium. So these are the many types of materials. That is next iron. So these are the materials which we show this type of behavior. That means the resistance of these all types of material. This aluminium, lead, Sn, Zn, zinc, cadmium, iron. So all these materials shows this type of appearance. Means this type of phase transition. Okay. So this phenomenon of disappearance of electrical resistance. The phenomenon of disappearance of resistance the phenomenon of disappearance of resistance, electrical resistance, we write here electrical resistance of material below a certain temperature is called as superconductivity. And the material in this phase transition, the material in this transition state is called as superconductor. Okay, so this is the definition of superconductivity or the superconductor. Okay, I think you have to understand this topic means exactly, because this is the important topic. So in this topic we have to just see the normal metals behaves, what is the behavior of normal material and what is the behavior of superconductor. Superconductor also behaves like normal metal, but at the specific temperature, that is the critical, when the critical temperature reach, so this suddenly drops the electrical resistance of material. So that type of phenomenon of disappearance of electrical resistance of material below a certain temperature, that is the critical temperature, is called the superconductivity, and the material in this state is called as the superconductor. So depending upon the behavior of this critical temperature and superconductor, there are two types of superconductor, type 1 superconductor and type 2 superconductor. So these types of superconductor we will see in the next class.